Ilan? 11 kilos, 20 boxes. Hi! Hi there guys and girls. Welcome to my day 14 here in junk shop. Selling my scraps. May junkies. May empty boxes.
Dalawa lang narinig ko.
Guys and girls, how are you all doing? Shout out to each every one of you. Hey, thank you for all the wonderful blessings. Shout out to my mother, and Helen Corella, welcome back. To everyone. Hi. Magkano? 11 kilos karton. Ilan? Ilan to?
22 pesos.
Magkano? Ay, di karton yun. So it's 22 pesos because it's not a real box set. Because it's some kind of heavy, that's why. Anyway, still okay. Still God's grace. Bye for now. What happened to you, kuya? I'm almost done with my... Not malamig. Not malamig. Tinanggal mo. Ano? Bye for now.